Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a golf practice net full guide. Start by measuring your chosen area and plan for a net at least 8 feet wide and 7 feet tall. Gather materials like 1 5-inch PVC pipe, knotless netting, and durable stakes. Sketch a simple frame design and list cut lengths. Prepare basic tools such as a saw, tape measure, and shock cord for tensioning the net. In this video, I will show how to make a golf practice net full guide. Collect all materials before you cut or assemble anything. Confirm pipe lengths and count fittings to avoid mid-build trips. Choose netting with small mesh and strong twine to stop full swings. Match shock cord length to the frame perimeter so the net sits taut. Keep extra zip ties and a small repair kit handy for fast fixes. In this video, I will show how to make a golf practice net full guide. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and clear voice timers to your practice area, making drills feel more fun and focused. It fits easily near your setup and responds to simple voice prompts while you adjust the net. If you like this tip, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make a golf practice net full guide. Assemble the base and uprights on a flat surface, checking squareness with a tape measure. Test fit the top rail and make adjustments before finalizing connections. Thread shock cord through the net hem and tension evenly to avoid sagging. Anchor the bottom to ground stakes or sandbags for safety during full swings and windy days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.